Well, to the best of my understanding, this is why I came up with a compensatory definition for the word justice. Down through the years, I'd been hearing the word justice and then looking it up in various dictionaries, and this is something I would advise everybody to do. Just look up justice in every type of dictionary. It's something called Black's Law Dictionary, I believe, and look up the word justice in that and see what you think. But I came up with one several decades ago, and that is justice. It's two parts, guaranteeing that no person is mistreated, and the other part, guaranteeing that the person that needs help the most gets the most constructive help. And I say that should be everybody's goal in interacting with everybody else. And having that definition is kind of concise. But there's but you can't be taken advantage of if you stick to the definition. Guarantee that nobody's being mistreated. If someone is taking advantage of you, then you raise a question, because here again, part of the code is what? All problems are solved through the process of what?
Questions and answers.
Mm-hmm. So if you perceive that you may be being taken advantage of, you simply go into the question mode. What is it that you are doing, sir or ma'am?
Okay.
Why are you doing it?
Yes.
All right. And, what do you expect the result to be? Okay? Just ask question after question after question. Do you think that what you're doing is going to have a constructive result?
Yes, yes.
See, that's a question. And if it is going to be constructive, how is it going to be constructive?
Keep asking questions.
Yes. Just keep asking questions, and don't help the person with the answer. That's always a mistake.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying.
Let the person, you ask the question and wait for the answer. Then you just ask a simple question. Do you believe in trying to produce justice?
Okay, yeah.
That's a straight-up question, yes or no. That calls for a yes or no. And if the person says no, then you say, oh, thank you very much. And then you try to put distance between you and that person, because you don't want to be around somebody who's not trying to produce justice. And you let them know that politely. Say, oh, you don't believe in trying to produce justice? You believe in mistreating people? Then you can ask them a question. Do you believe in mistreating me?
Yeah.
And let them answer.
I can see
don't
that.
Don't help them with the answer.
I can see that.
And if a person says, yes, I'll mistreat you if I can, you say, well, thank you very much for telling me. Now, see, just that little interchange itself is helping to produce justice, because now you begin to identify everybody who doesn't believe in producing justice. Let everybody stand up and be counted for whatever they believe in. That's what the racists need to do.
Yes,
Some of them will,
yeah,
but most of them won't.
Yeah, this takes practice.
Racists will say that they are not a racist in a minute, many of them.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm not a racist. Practicing racism full tilt.